All right. So here's our objective. By four-step format, we mean info, formula, substitution, and solving, and then rounding for sig figs. And then this is what we want to know, acceleration. So I thought it'd be cool if we did a plane, and here's the plane's going to land. There, it's touching down. It's 7 seconds. And then it's going to slow down. There. All right. So that's about 12 seconds. Okay. So we want to solve for acceleration. Well, my info is going to be a equals x, and then my velocity final, my v initial, and my time. My time we found out was about 12 seconds. My vi, I think planes go, I'm just going to say around 30 miles per hour. I'm more just modeling the format of solving for these types of equations rather than the actual thing. Like I'm guessing 30 miles an hour just based upon being in a car and going that fast and being in a plane a number of times. And I looked up, oh, I've got these backwards. The velocity initial and the velocity final are backwards there. That's my velocity initial, and that's my velocity final. All right. When the planes touch down, they're going about 165, and then when they're going later on, they're going fat, they're going slower. So my acceleration is my formula step. And what's my formula for acceleration? Is delta v divided by delta t, or vf minus vi divided by t, all right, equals a. So that's my substitution. Now my formula step, you don't have to you don't have to write them both, but either one works. Okay, now what is my formula step going to be? What's my substitution step going to be? The third step, well, that's going to look like this. X equals 30 miles an hour minus 165 kind of ran out of room there. There's the parentheses. All out over 12 seconds. All right. That's an S, not a 5. Now, then I'm going to simplify the top. Order of operations, you do what's in the parentheses first. So this would be negative 135 miles per hour divided by 12 seconds. All right. And then I would do my division. I'm going to do it on my phone. All right. Then I would take 12 or negative 135 and divide it by 12. And I get 11.25. So my solving is A equals negative 11.25 miles per hour per second. And that second's going to go down here on the bottom, like that. And then I would round. 30 really only has one sig because I kind of guessed it. So I would round for one sig because this is multiplication and division here. So A is negative 10 miles per hour per second. And that's my final answer, that one. So here's my info, here's my formula, my substitution, and here is my solving, where you just kind of calculating your answer. All right, hope this has been helpful and have a good afternoon.